Okay, now that I took the 3 little screws off from there, I'm gonna go ahead and take this part off, and it's gonna leave me with that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. Make sure you know how it comes off, so it goes back in if you need it, or if you're putting the stock steering wheel back. Alright, so I'm guessing this is for the horn. So I'm gonna pull this little guy out, set it aside in case we need it for the aftermarket steering wheel. Alright guys, now I'm gonna get my tool. It's off half-inch. Oh no, half-inch is for the tool removal. Let me see what I need for this. Alright guys, for the steering wheel bolt, it's gonna be 3/4. Well, at least for the 65. So yeah. Alright guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna loosen it up a little bit and then continue with the tool to get this bad boy out. Alright guys, if I'm doing this shit right here, then got the tool bolts screwed on there, and then got this beast in the middle that comes with it. I'm gonna keep pushing in until it pushes up against this. I'm gonna grab my 1/2-inch tool. I'm gonna start tightening it, and hopefully this steering wheel pops right off. Alright ladies and gents, tighten that bad boy, not too much, you know, and bam, thing came out. Alrighty guys, so steering wheel is out. All my little accessory pieces are here. Whatever needs to go back in will go back in. In this case, I'm putting an aftermarket steering wheel, so I don't know what all I'm gonna need. But yeah, if you're gonna replace old steering wheel with the new one, you basically just put it back together just how we took it off, and voila, you should be good. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.